So this is a review of what we did before, just writing this in index form and simplifying it. So if we have 3 index 4 multiplied 3 index 4 times 3 index 2, we can write it as 3, and we add these numbers. 4 plus 2 is 3 index 6. And also if we do division with indices, 2 index 3 over 2 index 2. It has to be the same number here as here. Then we take this number minus this number. So 3 minus 2. And that's 1. But 2 times itself only one time. That's only 2. So we don't have to write it like this. Okay, so let's have a look at a couple of examples. How about question 19? So we have 4 index 7 divided by 4 index 2. Then we take first 4 and then this number minus this number. 7 minus 2 is 5. So we can write the answer right away. How about question 28? We haven't worked with this basically, but it's the same thing as if we had numbers. So 6 index A. A can be any number over 6 index B. So we just write it out. We do the same thing as we did here. So 6 is the number here, and then we take this minus this. And since we don't know what A is, we don't know what B is, we can't write a number, so we have to write A, whatever it is, minus B. So that's the answer. On this page we have a couple of examples that requires a little more calculations before we have an answer. Let's take question 33, for example. We have 5 index 4 times 5 index 3 over 5 index 2. So before we do anything, let's simplify. Try to simplify this. So we're not going to get an answer right away. We have to simplify this. Remember that if we have indices multiplied, we just add these numbers. So up here it's 5 index 7, and this one remains. It's the same. 5 index 2. And now it's easier because we know that we take this little number minus this little number. 7 minus 2 is 5. So here we have the answer in index form. How about another one? Can we find a tricky one? How about question 43? It looks like this. 4 index 10 times 4 index 12 over 4 index 7 times 4 index 11. So let's first simplify this and then simplify this. Here it's 10 plus 12, right? 4, 10 plus 12, 22. Here it's 7 plus 11, it's 18. So 4 index 18. Now it's division. This is 4, and when it's division, it's this number minus this number. 22 minus 18 is 4. And here is the answer in index form.